everyone! Welcome back to the Flutter Atomic Design series. In this video, we will be diving into Step 12, Molecule Form. Again, we have many properties, but to ensure a user experience without overwhelming options, we have limited the changes to only the first input text, the ability to toggle if the phone number is required or not, the number of lines of the message input, and the text of the submit button. We create a new molecule form.dart and we expose it in the file molecules.dart. Let's add to our AppForm the properties, the inputs as a list of input atoms, the submitted text and an optional input message. And we want to ensure that the input length is even because those are the input we display in rows of 2 elements. We set the width of the AppForm to this value. To build our component, we use a fitted box to a sized box with that size and a column. The column contains all the rows that, for now, is an empty list of widgets. A space. The input message, if is not null. Another space. And the submit button. The form row widget takes 2 arguments, input 1 and input 2. And we build a row with these 2 expanded inputs and a space in the middle. Now we can build our rows looping through the inputs and adding a space if it is not the first row. Giving input 1 the input at index 1 and input 2 the input at index 1 plus 1. Let's create a new story called storyform.dart. This story returns a story scaffold with the AppForm molecule. We pass the list of inputs, the message input and the submitted text, allowing us to edit the first text with text property, the isRequired field with bool property, the number of lines within property and the submit text with text property. Finally, we add the story to the dashbook app. Let's run it to see the result and play with the properties. With this step, we have successfully developed our form molecule component. Thank you for watching this video, and stay tuned for more exciting content in our Flutter Atomic Design series.